Good morning.
Is your dog friendly?
She is.
Is she a little reactive? That's okay.
Yeah, she gets funny on a leash.
Yeah,
No worries.
my
Don't
pup is
agitate
the
her.
same. Was the same.
Enjoy, y'all.
I didn't do my sternum strap. I was wondering my shoulders hurting. Could you hang on to that?
Yeah, babe.
I have to start filling my water skin, but I found that this tool is, I don't know, at 32 ounce or whatever it is.
24, I believe.
Just about perfect for a 3.5 mile hike.
Well, if you ever need extra, I always bring extra.
Yeah, because you're smart.
Because I want extra weight. And because I drink a lot of water.
They certainly stay hydrated.
Yeah.
See, there's another slide there.
Yeah.
I think these are goose slides, though. Oh, beautiful water lilies.
You can hear a bullfrog.
You're right,
Yeah, I
carrying
love
that
the
for a
water
moment.
lilies.
You're alright carrying that
Yeah.
for a moment? I'm fine if not.
Yeah, it's all good, babe.
Let me know. Let me know when you want to use that letter punch.
The which?
The letter punch.
Oh, the lever punch. Thank
No,
you.
letter.
Letter.
Yeah. Didn't you say you wanted to use that?
Yes.
I mean, it can be used to write in leather. Leaves around imprint though. If you do. I wonder what this stuff is that has opposing leaves that looks a lot like the wild strawberry, which are all about their blooming, and some of them have dropped their blooms, but haven't turned into a strawberry yet. Anyway,
Yeah.
but I'm not seeing any of it. It's got a really serrated leaf like it, but it's opposing and it's kind of viney like. Oh, I'm not fucking kidding. Like I said, noise notifications I don't use. I got 2 texts or doctors. Oh, Samsung. I guess doesn't let me turn it. Here it is. This here. Kind of curious as to what this is. Pretty.
Almost reminds me of like a mimosa species. Like sensitive plant.
Kinda.
Yeah. I don't think that's what it is, but I think it
No,
might be.
no.
Same family. He's vocalizing.
I don't see any out to force and intimidate us. Okay, when I get on.
Oh, that is a lot of very fresh scat.
Okay,
And that was a
I
lot
didn't tell you to go over there for that reason.
Oh, so much goose poop.
Oh, so look around in the grass when we get home. Doesn't seem to be in the center strip as much for some reason. But the grass should be damp in front of the house where there's no sun yet.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, the wild strawberry is just starting to bloom, not produce fruit.
Gotcha. So probably August bearing.
Yeah, it's funny, the stuff that I'm used to, I mean, once spring hits,
Oh, yeah.
it's there. And it's there throughout the season,
Yeah, my strawberries back at the community garden were ever-bearing, so it was a pretty long season for them. I miss growing strawberries. And whatever variety I had, they were very hardy.
Okay, that's goose egg. Like, something ate them.
Yeah, look at that.
Raccoon, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know if maybe it was turtle egg or not. But no, they're crunchy. They got a candy crunchy shell.
Mm-mm. You ever eaten goose eggs?
No, but duck eggs. You know what? I guess domestic goose, yeah.
Yeah.
Because I've known people that have had them that I've gotten eggs from.
I've eaten, yeah, domestic goose, but not goose egg. I have had duck egg, and yeah, they were very rich.
It still amazes me, like every person we pass, like some of them didn't even have a bottle of water.
I know, right? Like, what the hey? You better hydrate, homie.
Yeah, well, this park is open 24 hours. Wildlife area, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
You come out here in the evening, well, an ankle or something, can't even wrap an ace bandage around it. You know, oh, I got my cell phone. What if cell phone reception isn't good, or
What if?
you forgot to charge it?
Exactly. Took the words right out of my mouth.
Or maybe you left it in the car because you don't want it falling out of your pocket. And people think that because it's something they're familiar with, something that's relatively close to safety.
And these are mostly people our age and older.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah. Falling is a big deal now.
Yeah.
And not to put too fine a point on it, but with all the goose scat and scat from other animals, this path, probably not the cleanest.
No, but you know, you're not going to get infections that quick. But feather. This one I will stick in my cat.
That's a good one. Yeah, we've got first aid kit.
My first kit, I've got a trauma kit.
Yeah.
That that I've assembled. It's not, you know, an off-the-shelf thing either. It's all good stuff.
Mine is a bit more basic. But, yeah. If I know it's going to be 60 or below when we're out, I've got long sleeve shirt.
Yeah, see, there goes my step counter, which tells me, well, you know, we're really close to the entrance, so.
Yeah.
3 point something miles.
Yeah, we carry first aid, extra water, trauma shears.
Battery charger.
Battery, yep, I usually have a snack.
I've got candies in my first aid kit.
Well, there you go.
Huh?
I said there you go.
Yeah, I mean,
exactly.
For a short situation, it's a good burst of energy, good burst of flavor. If you're low on water, it can also make you more thirsty for water. But these people aren't even carrying water, let alone
exactly.
a piece of candy in their pocket.
Ooh, piece of candy.
You want me to get the camera? Or?
I got it.
Okay.
We good. But yeah, I can't imagine not carrying just what I consider to be basics of,
yeah,
I'm leaving the house and I'm going to be in nature.
Right.
And you know, we got our little extras like specimen jars and bags so we can pick up trash.
I've got 2 knives, a pocket knife and a hunting knife, which can be used for survival things.
You know, we've
The
got
trench shovel I've been leaving out because there is absolutely no reason or place to even use it.
Yeah.
Same with the hatchet, really. You know, I say that, and we're talking about, you know, these people don't know what kind of situation they get into, but...
Well, I've got my big knife,
yeah,
which can replicate the function of a hatchet pretty well.
yeah, well, that's the thing, right? You can use it to split kindling and stuff.
Yep.
You know, use another stick to beat it in. Like, as you would a hatchet.
Yeah.
2-part hatchet, 2-piece action. Yep.
Howdy, y'all.
Morning.
Hi, Peppers.
Hi, honey.
Hi, Doggy.
Doggies must know each other.
Mm-hmm. I love that. I love that we've gotten to meet so many very loved dogs.
Yeah.
Because you can tell that these are happy woofers. As humans do their best by them.
Here, I'll
Alrighty.
grab the camera and we close this dog and pony show down.
Pony? There was ponies?
There was ponies. You missed the ponies.
Damn.
There's always ponies. They hide very well.
Well, we're lesbians, obviously.
Huh. It ticked over again.
Mm-hmm.
It is now at 15 minutes. at 22 and I checked it last, and that was well before we had to turn around for the
Yeah.
phone. But we are also nearing the end of our voyage. As you can see, the motor vehicle gates are in view. You can probably hear us huffing and puffing, because like I said, we've only started the every morning hike thing. Not nature. So before we get into the parking lot with any other people, let's close this out. And we'll see you next time.
It's been fun.